Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into something truly magical, where technology meets imagination. Have you ever wished you could be the author of your own adventure, guiding the story wherever you wanted to go? Well, what if I told you that's not just a wish anymore, especially for our kids? Get ready to have your mind blown, because we're talking about AI robots that build incredible, unique stories based entirely on a child's choices. Imagine this. Your child sits down with a friendly little robot. It's not just a toy, it's a storytelling companion. The robot starts with a classic opening. Once upon a time, in a land far, far away. But then, it stops and asks, what was in that land? Was it a sparkling candy kingdom or a mysterious jungle filled with talking animals? Your child gets to decide. Let's say they choose a jungle. The story immediately adapts. Great choice! Deep in this jungle lived a brave little monkey named. Again, the robot pauses, waiting for your child to name the hero. This is the core of the experience. It's an interactive dialogue, a creative partnership between child and machine. With every choice, the AI weaves a new path. Should the monkey befriend the grumpy tiger or seek out the wise old owl? Does the hidden treasure contain endless bananas or a map to the lost city of the stars? Each decision doesn't just add a sentence. It sends a narrative down a completely different branch, creating a story that has never existed before and will never be told in exactly the same way again. The possibilities are literally endless. What's happening behind the scenes is incredibly sophisticated. These robots are powered by advanced language models, similar to the AI you might have heard about, but specifically trained for creative, child-friendly storytelling. They understand context, remember previous choices, and can generate new characters, settings, and plot twists on the fly. More importantly, they're designed to be safe and encouraging. The AI keeps the story positive, promotes themes of bravery, kindness, and problem-solving, and ensures the content is always age-appropriate. It's like having a personal, infinitely patient storyteller who is dedicated to fueling your child's imagination. The benefits here are huge. This isn't just about entertainment. It's a powerful learning tool. It boosts creativity, expands vocabulary, and develops critical thinking and decision-making skills. When children see their choices have a direct impact on the outcome of the story, it empowers them. It teaches them about cause and effect in a fun, engaging way. They learn to think ahead, consider consequences, and express their ideas with confidence. This is active screen time, not passive consumption. It's a playground for the mind. This technology is paving the way for a new era of personalized education and play. It shows us how AI can be used not to replace human connection, but to enhance our most human qualities, creativity, and the love of a good story. What do you think about this? Would you get one of these storytelling robots for your kids? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. Thanks so much for watching today. If you enjoyed this look into the future of storytelling, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content about the amazing ways technology is changing our world. See you in the next one.